getting injections in your low back and just putting off the problem, imagine if you actually fixed it so you didn't have to get them at all. I know, crazy, right? Most back pain isn't because you're missing an injection. It's because you sit too much, bend too much, and you move too little. But don't worry. My name is Dr. Grant Elliott, founder of RehabFix, and we've helped thousands of people fully recover from low back pain, disc herniations, and sciatica through our one-on-one online coaching program. And in this episode, I'm going to explain why injections do not fix your back pain and sometimes can even make it worse, and instead, just give you a simple 3-step routine to restore mobility, reduce your pain, and get a long-term solution. All right, so what are lumbar epidural steroid injections designed for? They're designed for back pain, but what are the two main components? What's this actually made of? Okay, it has a steroid component, which is going to reduce inflammation. And then it has an analgesic component, so a pain reduction. So it reduces inflammation and it reduces pain. But that's it. So sometimes if you're in a super acute episode, could it reduce your pain? Sometimes there's side effects. It makes it worse. Sometimes it wears off within a couple days. If you're lucky, it'll last a few weeks. But think about it. What is it not doing? It's not changing your movement. It's not changing your education, your beliefs, your strength, your posture, your progression for any form of health motive. It's not changing anything about your function. Yet so many people are running to injections or pushed to injections, kind of being told like, hey, this is some cure-all, when it's absolutely not the case. And that's why majority of the time your pain just comes back. So what's the real cause of back pain that these injections don't fix it long-term? Most people are sitting too much, bending forward too much, and rarely exploring multiple ranges of motion with their spine. What this creates over time is a loss of extension, which is bending their spine backwards. It increases disc stress and pressure, and overworked and over-leveraged lower back muscles. So one of the key things that we're gonna cover in this video is that if this is you and you're living in flexion, then we need to do the opposite and restore extension to undo this stress and return to a life of freedom. This isn't random stretches, this isn't resting, and this isn't relying on medication. So here are 3 exercises to reverse that stress and get you feeling better. First, lay flat on your stomach, arms out wide to anchor your body, and raise one leg at a time as high as you can while keeping the leg as straight as you can. This is doing 4 main things at the same time. 1, it's arching your lower back. It's putting into extension the range of motion you're not getting enough of throughout the day. 2, it's activating your glutes. 3, it's activating your lower back muscles, deep erector muscles, and others that are not activated often throughout your normal lifestyle because it has to extend to get that leg up high. And last, it's stretching your hip flexor in an active way so that the front of your hip can relax and you're improving hip extension mobility. Attempt to go higher and higher each time, and of course, alternate each side. Hey, real quick, I know you're struggling with pain and obviously want to fix it. So if you just text me the word pain to 317-751-9509, I will send you my free back pain fix demo. Just text that number and you can fix your pain. Thank me later. Back to the show. Now, lower the legs and move your hands up under you. Put them under your shoulders like you're going to do a push-up, and push up high as you can comfortably like you're performing a cobra pose. We are not going to hold this exercise. Your discs in your lower back respond much better to repetitive movement, not holding it. So we're going to go up and down within a range of motion you feel comfortable. And as you get more comfortable, progress further and further and further. Keep the lower back and glutes totally relaxed as you do this, because the goal is not to tense and compress the lower back. The goal is to extend the lower back in a relaxed way as far as we can. Once again, most back pain is from too much sitting and bending forward too much. So we need to do the opposite to reverse that stress throughout the day. If you're getting too much of this motion, we need more of this motion to balance things out. Now we can combine these 2 motions. Get up on your knees, toes under you, put your hands on your heels, and push your hips forward while squeezing your glutes. This is called a camel pose, but once again, we're going to do it repetitively. Now, what is this doing? It's extending your entire body. Your shoulders are in extension, your whole abdomen is going forward, your low back is going into extension, your hips are going into extension, you're even stretching the bottom of your feet. If you're someone who's in flexion slouched forward all day, this is literally doing the opposite of almost every area in your body. Perform this for 10 reps, attempting to push the hips further and further over time, allowing that lower back to go into that arched position. Once again, progressing with every rep. Now, for whatever reason you can't reach back and grab your heels, that's completely fine. You can perform the same motion without it, just bringing the hips up and down, squeezing the glutes, arching back, pushing those hips into extension. Now, as soon as you're done with this sequence, you should notice less stiffness, less pressure, and an easier upright posture. And that's not just temporary relief, that's your spine reclaiming movement that it hasn't had in a very long time. But it will be temporary relief if you are not consistent and if you don't progress the plan. I don't want you to do this and then be like, oh, it didn't last, I'm just gonna go get my injection. Because if you felt relief with this movement, it means movement can fix you. A movement-based problem needs a movement-based solution. And if you feel better with movement, then you need a movement-based plan. So if you wanna get completely out of pain and then get bulletproof so you can get back to all activities and enjoy what life has to offer, then I have something for you. Just text me the word pain to 317-751-9509 and you can get a tailored step-by-step plan to permanently fix your back or sciatica issues following our centralization process. This way, you don't have to guess and we can just help you get a roadmap to success. Because scrolling through YouTube, saving random videos is one thing, but having an actual personalized plan is something completely different. So text me right now so you don't miss this opportunity to finally get pain-free and live the life that you deserve. And after you text me, please like the video, subscribe if you haven't already. Follow me on Instagram at RehabFix for more free daily videos and insights into my life and how we're getting our clients low back pain free faster than they thought was possible. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one, and I'll see some of you in the program real soon.